I look down and I'm like, yup, still that bitch. Hey guys, it's Galaxy Girl and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am feeling a little bit extra today because today I am doing a luxury unboxing. I've never done something like this and I've also never spent this much money on something, but to justify it, I just finished my spring finals and I was like, I'm free. Let me treat myself. So please don't judge my spending decisions because today I'm going to be showing you guys some pieces from Gucci and Louis Vuitton and I am so excited. Like, I want to try it on, I want to flex on it, I'll be like So go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and let's get into this. So before we even get into it, I want to show you guys like all of these bags that I have because like, yes, I just love everything about this. I'm a happy girl. And to be fair, I did not buy all of these items in one sitting. Like, a couple of these pieces I picked up a while ago and I decided to put it in here because why wouldn't I? You know, how many luxury hauls, unboxings am I gonna do? Like, my bank account cannot handle all that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with Louis Vuitton because this is the bag that is already placed on my lap, so we're gonna go with this one. But I think what I really love about this is like the packaging is so meticulous. Like, it's a bag, it's a box, you open the box, it's another bag. It's like one of those gifts, you know, where like you just keep opening up all the packages and you're like, is there anything even in here? So this is the little Louis Vuitton baggie and oh, can we just talk about how beautiful this looks, like even just wrapped up? Like, I haven't even done anything, I haven't even tried this on yet and I'm like, it's beautiful. So I have this little Louis V clasp on the front and it just kind of like clips into the belt. And I do really appreciate that because it is nice to just like be able to easily adjust your belt. Like, you don't have to do the buckle or anything, so it's just like right there, you know, we're set. But I am really like obsessed with it. Like, I've always loved the original Louis Vuitton pattern and the details on this are like absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you look at this little side right here, if it focuses, you can see that it says like Louis Vuitton on the top of the little buckle. So it's like, I look down and I'm like, yup, still that bitch. I'm sorry, I'm so ugly for this. But I'm definitely gonna try this on and show you guys like how it looks, how it sits on me, because it's a beauty. It is a beauty. Okay, so this is the first Louis Vuitton belt and as you can see, like, the buckle here looks absolutely phenomenal. Like, I am really obsessed with the way that it like sits on me. Why does this honestly look so fire? Like, I'm that bitch. Okay, so since we already started on belts, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Gucci belt that I picked up. And honestly, I have a hard time deciding which one is my favorite because I feel like they both kind of like make me happy in different ways, but this one really like speaks to me. Like, when I have this on, I'm like, you really can't talk to me. I'm that bitch. And Gucci also does not disappoint with their packaging because they got the cute little box, you know, cute little bag, cute little box. Like, I don't know, maybe I honestly like the packaging more than the actual items. Like, just having all of these like luxury bags in my room, I'm like, my life feels put together. I'm trying to figure out a way to open this on camera because my hands are not that big. So I'm just kind of gonna try to like very carefully maneuver the top off. Oh. Close enough. At least I did not damage anything. But the baggie for the Gucci belt is like a nice little silk. You know, I love the way it feels and it is absolutely adorable. Okay, are you guys ready for the moment of truth? I know, you're like, it's a plain black belt. But then it honestly makes me so happy. Like, this is so cute. I don't even know. Like, I took some pictures with it earlier on my Snapchat if you guys follow me. and I was just like, wow, it looks phenomenal. Like, I'm so happy with this. The only thing that I'm kind of sad about with this is that it is a little bit big on me, because when I was there, they didn't exactly have my size, but I was like, I just can't not have this. So I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. Like, I might have to go and get it sized down to like fit me. But regardless, I don't regret anything. I think this is a gorgeous belt, and I think you guys will agree, like, once you guys actually see it on. Like, the buckle, it just looks phenomenal. You're like, wow. So this is what the Gucci belt looks like, and like I said, it is a little big on me, so I do kind of have to hold it until I can get it adjusted properly, but I just love the way it looks. Like, I think it is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just very happy with it. Okay, so now that we've seen the belts, I want to move on to the next item, and it is this one. I think this is honestly like the heaviest of all the bags, so yeah, I'm excited to show you guys what I have in here. I wish I was actually like a good singer and not tone deaf, so that like all these dramatic little musical flares would sound a little bit better for you guys, but it is what it is. I'm sorry. Okay, so the next item is this Louis Vuitton wallet with the tassel, and I don't know what it was about this when I saw it. Like, usually I wouldn't go for such a big wallet, which is why I picked up a smaller one that I will show you guys in a little bit. But I was like, you know what, when I go out with like a bigger purse, I can definitely see myself like using this, or even if I just use it as like a little like clutch, you know, just hold on to it like. But I don't know, this zipper is probably like the smoothest zipper that I have like ever felt. I'm very, very pleased with it, and I like that it has so many like compartments in here. Like, there's honestly like so much room in this that I love it. Like, I could probably fit my lip gloss, my cards, my money, like anything that I would need, I could probably fit into this. So I'm very happy with that, and that is why I decided to pick this up. I honestly have not even like worn this out yet, as you guys can see, because I still have my little plastic on the little zipper on the inside. But I think I'll have to take this one out very, very soon, because I love the way it feels. Like, I love luxurious items. Like, I'm obsessed. I really am. Okay, so now I want to show you guys the smaller Louis Vuitton wallet, and I'm also doing this because I definitely want to save the best for last, because the final Gucci piece is my absolutely favorite item. Like, I wanted this item for absolutely forever. Like, ever since I first had my eye on it, I was like, my life will not be the same unless I get it. So I am definitely excited for that, but first I want to show you guys the smaller little wallet that I picked up, and I definitely decided to go out of my comfort zone with this one, because I was like, I know I like the OG pattern, but let me try something new for the one time. Da, 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 da. It is upside down. Da. I don't know why I'm so like excited. Like, I really feel like these are like my children, like my babies. Like, look at it. Look at it. Okay, I need to stop screeching, but I really can't contain myself, because is this not the absolutely cutest thing you've ever seen? Let me focus. Look at that. This pattern is so gorgeous. Like, I am absolutely obsessed with it, and I'm happy that I decided to pick this up, because I can definitely put this into my smaller bags, because like I said, I'm not always going out with like super big bags. But it is super cute, and like, I like that it still opens up into like a fairly good sized wallet. Like, I can still fit cash in here at the top, you know, I can put my cards here, and I don't know, it's just perfect. Like, I think this one would definitely be like a more daily wallet for me, because I don't like to have anything too bulky on me all the time. So I'm very excited about this purchase, and I love the pink little accents. Like, I feel like it really feeds into my like recent obsession with pink, as you guys can see. Also, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of my new hair. When I was first doing it, I didn't think it was gonna come out like highlighter pink, but I honestly really love it. Like, I'm not upset at all. So I'm so ready to present to you guys this final item. And I am sad because I actually picked this up like a while ago. This is probably the item that I've had the longest. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might already know like what this is going to be. But sadly, I could not find the box for this anywhere. Like, I don't know what I did with it, but I only have the little baggie for it. But it's okay. It's not gonna hold us back, you know? It's all good. I swear my obsession with Gucci is like actually a little bit unhealthy. Like, but it's all good because I am so obsessed with this. Like, bruh, what I really just love about this is how comfortable and practical this is, and the fact that there's like no chance of me actually losing this because it's on my waist. Like, I can't just leave it somewhere. And if anyone knows me, like if anyone watching this like knows me in person, you guys probably know that I forget like legitimately everything. Like, I think I would have lost most of my possessions by now if it weren't for my friends who were like, hey Karina, are you not gonna get your blank? Because it could be my phone, it could be my water bottle, it could be my purse. Like, I would lose my head if it was not attached to my body. That's how forgetful I am with my things. So to have this and to just have it like be on my person at all time, like, it is very, very convenient. And I also love that like you can wear it different ways, you know? Like, if I wanted to, I could wear it across my chest, but I've tried that a couple times and it is a little bit more difficult because I have boobs, so it like sits a little bit awkwardly. But I think if I tried to style it like the right way, I could make it work. But I really don't mind wearing this on my waist at all. Like, I have this and I'm like I'm ready to go. And honestly, it is definitely like a lot more spacious than you would think. Like, there is quite a bit of room in here and I never feel like I can't like fit all my things in here. I'm honestly just really in love with this item, like, mwah. So this is the final item, my little baby, the Gucci fanny pack, and as you guys can see, it just goes with everything. I mean, I had to throw on some leggings just to kind of like have it sit a little bit better, but I am absolutely obsessed with the way that it looks on me, like. And what I love the most is like, because there is a thicker band here, when I actually put things in here, it doesn't like hang down, you know, it actually stays in place and I never feel like it's like too heavy, so I really appreciate that. Alright guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up as well as subscribing. And if you guys have any like video suggestions or there's anything that you guys want to see me do, just let me know in the comments down below as usual, because I want to like make you guys happy. And now that I'm actually finally done with my spring finals, I can like go back to putting out 2 videos a week and being more creative on this channel. So please just give me some ideas and I promise I will do it. Like, I really will. It's the solemn galaxy word of honor. I don't know if that made sense, but we're just gonna go with it. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video.